Hey guys, Robin here, and this is part 2 of my Visual Basics episodes. In episode 1, I showed you guys how to use buttons to show a title, remove a title, and change the title text. In this part, I will be showing you how to... What am I going to show you? How to use buttons to show an image. Well, select an image, like change images and blah blah blah. All that kind of sorts. So let me remove the code. Okay, I can remove this. Okay, weird noises. Okay, first thing we're gonna need is a button to exit. We're gonna add two more the hell, that's not no button. The hell is that? Button. Okay, one button to exit and two buttons to select different images. And to add an image, we have to go to down here and add a picture box. Now, the way you can add multiple images is you can add multiple picture boxes, but there's a better way by having just one picture box. But for now, I'm going to show you how to use multiple picture boxes, and then I will show you how to just use one picture box. So let's go ahead and name all of our stuff. This is the exit button, so we name it exits. And btn exits. I don't really need to teach you guys how to name your stuff, since in tutorial 1 I basically gave you an idea of how to name stuff. So btn image 1. Okay, so btn pic 1, btn pic 2, pic 2, pic 1, image, we're gonna name that picture box, shortcut is PB, picture box, PB, picture box, pic 1, and PB, pic 2. Now we have this. Let's get some images, shall we? So we go to Google, and go to google.com. Oh, and later on I'll probably be showing you how to make a basic web browser with a search like this, backwards, forward, refresh, and a go, which Google Chrome obviously doesn't have. Okay, so let's go to images. Let's use smiley face, smiley. Okay, so let's use the smiley face because it's nice and big. Let's just save it to our desktop. Desktop, save. Let's go back and select another image. Let's get this one because it looks kind of creepy. Save image, save image, save image, save. Okay, finally we saved them. Now we go select our picture box. Let's make them look kind of even. Okay, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to select both. And the way you select more than one item is when you click on one. As you can see, you cannot select more than one. So what you do is you push down Control, and then you can select multiple items, as you can tell. But we only want to select these two. And what we do is we set the visibility to false, because we want to show the picture boxes, the images, when we click that image, the buttons, not when we start the program. So let's just select one image, which is picture box 2, and we go to image right here. Right here, image. We select it, local source, import. It's saved to our desktop, so we go here. Okay, and we save it. As you can see, it's not evenly in the picture. So we go here to size mode, and we go from normal, we go to stretch image, and it stretches it correctly in there. Now we do the same thing to the pic 1, local source, import, and we import the other image, which is this one right here. Now we go back to size mode, and we go to stretch image. There you go. Now if you run this program, no image is shown. As you can see, no image is shown, and these two don't do anything. But the exit doesn't work either. Okay, let's go ahead and do the easy part and program the exit, which most of you should know by now if you watch tutorial 1. Is there's two different ways, but the way we're going to use is me.close, open close parentheses. Now the exit works. Now we want program picture box 1, the picture 1 button. There you go. So you double click on that, and now let's think. What do we want the button to do? Okay, all we want the button to do is show picture box 1, right? So we write picture box 1, actually picture box pick 1 dot, what do we want to do? We want to show the picture box, so we want to go to visibility equal, since we want to show the picture box, we go to true. Now, while this picture box is shown because we click picture box 1 button, we want the other image to disappear. So we go ahead and do the same thing with picture box pick 2, just instead of putting the visibility to true, we want to set it to false, so both of them don't show at the same time, only the one you selected for the button. So we go down and go picture box pick 2 dot visible equals false. So basically what we said here now is when we click this button, picture 1 will show and picture 2 will disappear. Now let's go to picture box 2. In picture box 2, we write the complete opposite we have right here. So to make it easy, we can copy that and paste it right there, and all we have to do is change this to false and change this to true. So now let me go over this code. When button 1, picture 1 is clicked, then we want picture box's 1 visibility to be set to true, so we can see picture 1. But we want the visibility of picture box 2 to be set to false because we don't want to see that one. We only want to see picture box 1. And when we click the second button, the code is the complete opposite, meaning picture box 1 we don't want to see anymore because we want to see picture box 2. So that's what we stated here. Picture box 1's visibility is set to false, while the visibility of picture box 2 is set to true. So now if we run this, as you can see, no picture shows. Picture 1, this one shows. Picture 2, that one shows. As you can see, when we go back and click back and forth, you can see how one image disappears while the other one appears. So now, I showed you guys how to use buttons to display pictures. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing using only one picture box. So let me go ahead and remove both of these and remove this coding again. Okay, let's go ahead and add one picture box. Only one picture box this time. The code will be a little bit longer, but it will save you a lot of room when you don't have 20,000 picture boxes when you have a program with a lot of pictures. So what we do now, we right click on our picture box and we go choose image. We go here, and this time we do not go to local resources, we go to project resource file and we click on import. Now what we do is we click both pictures. Again, we cannot select two at the same time. You can either drag it like that, or you can press down control and select the other one and you click open. Now as you can see, both of them are selected, but when the program starts we don't want an image to show, so we click it on none and OK. Now we have both pictures in here, and if you see, if we run this, there's no image, but neither box shows it, so we go exit now. Now one problem is, once we show the images, they will not be centered. So let's go to properties and name this first of all. So picture box, PB, picture box, main, because we only have one picture box and this is our main picture box. Now size mode, we cannot go to stretch image because there are multiple images, and if we stretch them, you know, it just won't work. You have to go to zoom. We have to zoom the image into its right position because there's multiple images. So now let's click pick one. Okay. Now, since we have only one picture box, we write that picture box name, picture box main dot. What do we want to show? We want to show an image out of that picture box, right? So we go image and equals. Okay, now we declared that when we click picture box 1, we want the picture box main to show an image. Well, what do we want to show? First of all, we have to access the images, so we go my dot resources dot giant smiley face. Okay, now let's just go to giant smiley face. Okay, what this did is when we click picture box 1, the button 1 for image 1, the picture box shows us an image, and the image we show is located in our resources. So my resources, because it's located, so we right click it, in our resources right here, resource file, and then the image name, of course. Now we do pic 2. Picture 2, it's the same exact coding. Picture box name dot, we want to see an image, so we write image equals, we want to see our image. But first we have to say where our image comes from. So we write my resources, because that's where the image is from, and then the image name. Now we just have made buttons that will show an image out of just one image box. You can see he goes back, nice, back and forth, changing the image using only one image box. And I did all of this in under 11 minutes. Nice. Okay, in the next part, I will probably be teaching you something more fun to learn, I guess. But I don't know what it is yet. So remember to comment, tell me what I did good, or how I can improve. Give me some ideas of what tutorials to do next. Give me some thumbs up or thumbs down, and tell me how you like this tutorial. And subscribe if this helped you and you want to learn more in the future. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.